Everyone, welcome to our channel Sri Lankan Kitchen. We'll take you through a journey of Sri Lankan culinary through our channel. Well, Sri Lankans make milk rice before initiating anything good. In our first video, let's learn how to cook milk rice. It's a very simple Sri Lankan food. We only need 3 ingredients. That would be rice, cream of coconut or coconut milk, and salt. For this rice, you can use any kind of rice, but in Sri Lanka, normally we use red samba, white samba, or kakulhal. Kakulhal is a kind of a Sri Lankan variety. I don't know whether you'll be able to find these kind of varieties in your countries, so you can use whatever rice which is available. Alright, before making milk rice, you need to give your rice a quick wash. I have already washed rice. So let's start. I'll be using a rice cooker for cooking my rice, but for that you can use your stove or anything. But a rice cooker is always easy. Okay, now I have put my rice in the rice cooker and I've used only a little amount of rice, which is enough for about 2 people. That will be like 1.5 cups of rice. When putting water, you have to be careful. You don't need this rice overcooked because we'll be adding milk later, and with milk also we'll be keeping it in the heat, so it will get a little cooked even with the milk. You know how to cook rice in a rice cooker, so I think you can guess the amount of water that you need. I can show you if you want. So let's wait till this rice is cooked. I think our rice is done now. It took us about 15 to 20 minutes. Now we should add the cream of coconut to this. But before that, we should add some salt to it. You can add salt to your rice beforehand, and also add some salt to the cream of coconut, or else you can add the salt to the cream of coconut itself only. Don't add too much, just add about 2-3 pinches of salt. Which will stir and keep in the heat for some more time. Rice can be eaten as a savory or sweet dish. In Sri Lanka, people eat it with jaggery or banana as a sweet dish, but when it comes to savory options, lunamiris is the most common side dish that goes with milk rice. Lunamiris is kind of a chili paste, and you can either use chicken curry or fish curry or any other savory curry to eat milk rice. We will be able to learn how to make some of those curries in our upcoming videos. I think it's done now. Let's take it out. Yeah, it's so. This is a banana leaf. This is the ideal option, but you can use a one sheet or any other, even something which is not that sticky. So this is the final product. Let's make this into something appealing. You can use anything, a lawn sheet or something for this, but I'm using a banana leaf. It's really hot. I guess you can see. Now we can cut this into any shape that we like. We'll cut this into diamond shapes. If you like this video and want us to make more, please go and hit the like button down below. And make sure to subscribe our channel to get the latest recipes and updates. If you are a Sri Lankan, you can help us in taking Sri Lankan culinary to the world by sharing our channel with your friends. And if you're from any other country, try to make this at home and enjoy. If you have any questions regarding the recipes, please put them in the comment section below. Thanks for watching us and see you in our next video. Bye bye.